we're gonna be testing the most viral TikTok shop products, and I bought them all so that you don't have to. If you're like me, you have fallen down the TikTok shop rabbit hole, and let me tell you, the amount of items I've purchased on there, yeah, I definitely spent way more on this video than I'm gonna make, so please like and subscribe. I'll link any products that are also available on YouTube Shopping. It'll be really interesting to see the price differences. Our first viral TikTok shop product is the Unbrush. Now, this brush, just on TikTok alone, has sold over 875,000 separate units. That's insane. I'm not gonna lie, I'm about 5 to 6 of those. I was like, it can't be that much better than a wet brush. No, it is. It is. And I actually left the hair in mine. That's disgusting. The Unbrush on TikTok Shop costs $22, but it's usually always on sale. So right now it's on sale at the time of filming this video for $16. Yes, a lot for a brush, but I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna change your life. I also did not brush my hair just so that I could show you guys how good it was. So I have really long hair, okay? It just like glides through it. It makes it really shiny. Look at this side compared to this side. This side looks so much better. Obsessed with this, you should definitely get it. Now let's get into why I left the hair in it. Look at these.
Oh my God, what is that?
Okay, so this is my Unbrush. This is my wet brush. This used to be my holy grail. Now, you guys see those little like balls on it?
What is that?
That is like buildup from your shampoo and stuff. And it's really hard to get off because of these little knobs right here. But on the Unbrush, it doesn't have that. So these are really flexible. And at first I was like, these probably aren't gonna be able to like hold up through my hair. They're so much more thick than this. Let's like attempt to pull this out. It's hard to pull it out, and like these little things are like getting stuck. Like there's no coming off. You know, like you're gonna have to fight that to clean it. I don't have time for that. Let's do the Unbrush now. She in there. And it just like comes out. It's like a little rodent. These are Mama V's Sour Gushers. Yeah, baby. Oh, I'm so happy. These are constantly sold out. Mama V's has sold over 63,000 packs of these blue raspberry sour gushers. That's insane. I am so excited to see a small business win on TikTok, especially one with such a good product. Like, I love that. This one runs $6. They have 2 other sizes, a medium. I think that one is like $8 or $12. I could be wrong. And then the large one is $22. Do you see all of that right there? I love sour. These are actually sour. Oh my God. They smell so good. I already know I like them, but we're just gonna taste test them on camera. All right. They just taste really good to me. I'll get like a mega sour one from the bottom so that I'll have the same reaction as people that are like not into sour things trying them. I've had like all of my friends try them that have seen me since I've got these, because like I said, I ordered these a few times before. And the only other person that's like, oh my gosh, I could eat those all day is Bitney. Everybody else is like, oh my God, freaking love them. I could, if my teeth weren't so messed up, I would eat this entire thing. I might anyway, but I should really go to the dentist. I have a hole in my tooth. I don't want to talk about it. I'm scared of the dentist. Mama V's is a small business, so if you can, please go support them if you are a sour candy lover, because I'm not kidding, this stuff is so good. The next product is going to be the Milk Jelly Lip and Cheek Tint. Even though I wouldn't consider it like a super viral product, I've seen the girly pops all over my FYP trying this out and really loving it. Now, this is pretty small. That is pretty small for $24. But if it goes a far way, then that doesn't really matter, because if it's gonna last a long time, then it might be worth it. Got it in the shade Spritz. Cute. Let's open it. Oh, okay, good. There's like a little protector thingy on the top. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to be like that, like jelly-like. It kind of feels like Jello. I like it, but it was surprising. And it did leave like a little stain on my finger, so it's gonna stain. Oh, okay. Let's see how that blends out. Oh Oh yeah, I think it did blend out well. I'm actually gonna do a little bit more. I've been wearing this for a few minutes. While I do think it's pretty, I don't necessarily think it's worth $24. It's kind of making my lips dry, and I got a little bit of a look in better lighting, and this doesn't look like it's sitting that great on my skin. I love Milk makeup though, and there's some other products from them that I like use constantly. I use this cleanser, and I love their Hydro Grip primer. I used this at my wedding. They have a lot of really good products. For this one, I don't think it's bad. I just don't know if it's something I would buy again. We're gonna pass on this one. This product has sold over 340,000 on TikTok alone. That product is the Beachwaver. Now, I have had this for a while. Spoiler alert, I love it. It makes curling my long hair very easy, and my curls stayed with this. These range anywhere from $99 to, I wanna say like $150, depending on the size and the style. This one was a special like glitter collection that they did for Christmas, but I will link the same size. So this is the 1.25. I also, today, they just dropped a lilac one, and so Dustin ordered me the 1-inch lilac one so I can have different sizes. These are always on sale on TikTok Shop, always. I think Dustin just got the bundle. It was discounted to $69, but it had like a heat protectant and a Tarte lipstick in it, and then he was able to get it, I think, for like $45 because of the TikTok Shop coupon. TikTok Shop is eating that cost to get reputable brands on their platform, and it's working because this is probably gonna be a lot more expensive directly from their website or from here on YouTube Shopping, just because there might not be a coupon. Yeah, I would definitely recommend that you go get this through TikTok Shop, but let's go ahead and curl my hair so I can show you how it works and how easy it is. This one, it just has like 3 heat settings. Now it has these little buttons that spin it in the direction, so it spins your hair for you. I recommend starting with it at the front. So let's start from the back, and I'm gonna get my hair like down here. Spin. Yeah, she's cute. She's so cute. I'm gonna flip my head over now and not look like Shirley Temple, so. Gorgeous, she's stunning. She's Linda Evangelista. I'm really excited to try the 1-inch one because it's gonna give a little bit of a tighter curl, and I'm curious to see how that holds up in my long hair. But yeah, Beachwaver is a 10 out of 10, highly recommend, and it's a great gift. Look at my hair, like look at that. It's so pretty. Let's not talk about how like greasy it is or anything. It's my favorite curling iron ever, and I don't think I will ever be going back to a regular one. This one's easy, and it doesn't take me an hour and a half to curl my hair. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. I need more of these. I have an obsession. Next up is this Fantic Screwdriver. Y'all know I'm Lexi DIY, okay? I saw this and I said immediately, yes, I would like to try that out. I know what you're thinking, a viral screwdriver? Yeah, because it's electric and it's amazing, and it's sold over 97,000 on TikTok Shop alone. It's also a bestseller on Amazon, and I'm sure it is soon to be a bestseller on YouTube Shopping. On TikTok Shop, the retail price for this is $70, but I got it for about $40. I don't know what that is, probably to charge it. Ooh, it feels nice. Oh, okay. So once you like press it down, it doesn't come out, and then you press that and it comes out. Here's the screwdriver itself. And then here, oh my gosh, this is literally so amazing. I could cry. This is like a DIYer's dream. Look at all of these. Oh yeah. Wow, this is great. Like, you know what this is gonna be really good for? Putting together furniture that doesn't come pre-assembled. And it's gonna be so good for Christmas DIYs. You guys, I'm so excited because I always use these little like battery powered lights, and they have the tiniest little screwdriver, and it's so difficult. And now I can have this. I don't know what this is. Seems it would be useful. This kind of like forces you to stay organized with it, which is great because I'm an organized person when I want to be, but when I'm doing a DIY project, if it's not like super simple to put away, I'm not going to put it away. This is great. This is going to save me so much time. Oh yeah. There's a light. Shut up. Oh my God, I need to find something to screw. That, not what I meant. Oh, good, it's magnetic. Dude, that's dope. All right, I'll find something to use this on later.
1 hour later.
I found something to screw. All right, so push it. Oh, push it that way. And then we need to find the proper thingy. Oh, they're labeled very lovely. So put this in and it's good to go. Not going anywhere. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is a winner. Like literally the best thing ever. I'm probably gonna use this like every day. Yeah, this is amazing. Highly recommend, especially if you're gonna be building furniture, especially like IKEA furniture. Next up is a product that I kind of live my life in, which is a sweat set. Now, this one is supposed to be extra comfortable. The brand's name is called Comfort, and they're really expensive, but apparently they're supposed to help with anxiety. I don't know. They have sold over like 13,000 of these. The top is $69.
For a hoodie.
The bottom is $49. Honestly, I don't think that the sweatpants are as, you know, poorly priced as the hoodie. Although I think the hoodie does have some embroidery on it. Whatever, let's open it. So they seem nice and fluffy. I got it in the color steel gray. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel like thicker than the average hoodie, and it's supposed to, oh, the inside's really, really soft. It's supposed to like help with anxiety, which I have a lot of. For the quality, if I'm being honest, and the fact that it is embroidered, it's not as bad as I thought for costing $69. And I did get it for $62, I think, because there's always like a TikTok shop coupon. These are what I'm really gonna judge because I have a favorite pair of sweatpants. Well, actually, it's like a whole sweat set, but the pants are what like does it for me. From Classy Network, which I'm obsessed with Classy Network. They make these Brammy tops. It's like a built-in bra. Anyway, but I'm actually wearing the ones that I really love right now, and they have like this thick waistband. They're like the perfect sweatpants. So I'm hoping that these will stack up to those. These feel very nice. I'm not gonna lie. They do feel thick. Waistband feels thick. They feel very soft on the inside. I'm actually excited about these. Again, they do have that like embroidered little logo on it. I like that it's the same color essentially. It's not like super loud. Oh, hello, and welcome to This Is Very Comfy. They did a good job naming it. No, for real though, this is really cute. I do actually think it's worth the money, and I'm probably gonna buy it in all the colors. Only thing, I'm probably gonna buy this hoodie in like a size up. I got it in an extra small, and I got the pants in an extra small, but since it is so thick, it's kind of like choking me out a little bit, but it is very comfy. And I think once I have like the oversized one, I'll probably wear the hoodie more. These pants though are real winners, and I will probably wear them like every day for a week because I'm disgusting and I don't care. All right, 10 out of 10. Last but certainly not least is a product that has sold almost 200,000 units across different pages, and it is one of the first TikTok shop viral products ever, and that is the Corsex Snail Muin. Now, look, I know what you're thinking, Lexi, that's disgusting. And it kind of is. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of is. I'm a vegetarian. I'm not sure how I felt about putting snail butt on my face. So this runs $15 on, you know, across various TikTok shop places. What's really interesting about this product though is Corsex does have their own TikTok shop, but I think they only got it after they realized that one of their like authorized people that like resell this product was going viral and getting a lot of sales. So it was only then that they made their own TikTok shop. So it sold like 115,000 on one, like 40,000 on another, and then I think like maybe even another like 20 or 30,000 on Corsexes. I'm not sure. But this stuff, as weird as it is, it does work. Now, you're supposed to have it on damp skin. I have makeup on right now, so I'm not gonna just put this all over my face, but I'm gonna show you on my hand so you can kind of see. I wanna show you guys like the texture of this because it is so weird. Like, odd. It's like stringy, but you know what? It works well. That's what it looks like once it's rubbed in. I actually did see a difference after I started using this, and I honestly forgot that I had it, and I need to start using it again. I need to start putting snail butt on my face. But I do think that this is worth it. I've also found it at like TJ Maxx and stuff like that. The kind that I kind of like more, they have like a similar product. This one, you don't have to wet your face, and it's a little bit more user-friendly, and it's the same thing, it's just like a moisturizer. I did use this for longer than I used that, and honestly, I literally reorganized my cabinet and forgot I had them, so that's on me. But if you guys want a snail booty update where I like put it on my face for 30 days and show you guys, I'm down with it. I have so many more TikTok shop items literally sitting here, but I feel like that is all that I can fit into today's video. So if you guys like this, definitely let me know. If there's anything in particular that you guys would want me to order off TikTok shop, like I thought it'd be kind of fun to order some furniture off TikTok shop, but it is a little scary to do that and it costs a lot of money. So this video will have to get a bunch of views for me to afford to do that. But I would love to do it, or maybe like stuff that doesn't have like any reviews or like no sales, but you guys are curious in. So definitely let me know down below. And also let me know, do you guys want me to do like a TikTok shop versus YouTube shopping video? Because I would be very interested to do that. Let me know which one your favorite product is. And just a reminder that if you do happen to click any of the links for YouTube shopping that are in this video, I do make a small commission and it helps the channel so much. So if you choose to order through that, I really appreciate it. But that's it for me today, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.